daughter's first year. She put the hammer on him, man. Like I said, 3 traps, 2 coon, that ain't bad. We just pulled into the place we're hunting this evening, and we've seen a pretty nice buck already. And neither one of us have buck tags, so yay. Try and pull up here. He was a nice wide 8-point man. Should be right over this. There he is right there. That's the way it goes when you got your buck tag filled, ain't it? Always. It would have been perfectly legal for us to get out, walk, lay on the ground, and take a shot.
Yep.
We have been well within our means to just step out of this truck, sprawl on the ground, make a good shot from here, and we'd had that. He's bigger than my buck, Gene.
I let him walk the other night.
Now he's just sitting there underneath that tree. My plans would have been shoot that deer, get him loaded up, have a quick, easy hunt, and go home.
Yeah, there's been no dragging on this deal.
He's just out there walking around. Hey, now, if we can get a doe to do that tonight, buddy, we'll be in business. That's the last day of muzzleloader season. My last hunt this morning. And I shot me a little doe. And I do mean little. But it's what I wanted. I had a chance at a pretty big doe yesterday. She was a big one. And I didn't take it because it's just too close to the rut for me to poke a hole in a nice big doe. These littler does usually don't go into estrus until December. So I don't mind taking a little doe right now. And it's good eating too. Man, I tell you what, that was a close shot. I didn't get enough of the angle because I was really in a hurry. I had to get home. It was Sunday morning, wanted to get to church. We had running to do all after church, all day long. I knew I just had a small window of hunting. And I tell you what, I seen that deer, and I was sitting on the ground like I have been a lot this year. And something spooked her down there on this old logging road. I was hunting right up from my trail camera, right to me. It was probably less than 5 yards I shot that deer. Didn't even have to aim, just kind of like point and shoot. It was crazy. Of course, self-filming, I didn't get none of it on video. Didn't even have my camera out yet. It was still pretty early, but that's the way it goes. But you know, not everything's about seeing that deer get hit with the bullet or watching that arrow slip through them ribs. You know, that's not all it's about. You know, I got some good blood trail video at the beginning of it. We're going to go into more talking about blood trails soon, showing some really pink lung blood, as you can see in there. That's lung blood. That's what you want to see. Deer ran 40 yards, dead. I don't know how it made it 40 yards. It had a hole in it now, let me tell you. But, you know, got my tags filled. Got both my muzzleloader tags filled. That's good. I've got 3 tags filled. 3 more to go. And plus I get a bonus tag this year. So, and you know, we've seen a nice buck. Rifle season just a couple weeks out. It's the 1st of November. November is the time to be in the woods for a deer hunter. It's that magic time when, like that buck we seen the other day, he come out of an area that you couldn't hunt. No hunting allowed. Into the area we could hunt. And, you know, if either one of us would have had a buck tag with a muzzleloader, we could have stepped out of that truck, walked up there, shot at him, you know, at least shot at him. And that would have been perfectly legal. But that's how it goes. I'm happy with my buck. You know, and if y'all seen one of my other videos, I done a canned deer meat video. This is some of that doe I just shot yesterday. It was yesterday. Yesterday morning, this deer was running around. But this is another thing I'm trying. This is called, you know, it's called deer hash. It's deer and potatoes. Pressure cooked in there. I'm going to try it out right here real quick. This is what it's all about right here, guys. Oh, that smells good. I love corned beef and hash. So I thought I'd try my own little recipe. Oh, that's amazing. Ground venison, chunked up potatoes, onions, garlic salt. You can throw a little mustard seed in there. A little seasoning salt. Oh man. Put this on some eggs, or put some eggs on top of That's what it's all about right here, guys. Hey, stay tuned. Rifle season 2014 is coming up. Still got some bow hunting. Then we're going in trapping season. Love y'all. God bless. I'll see you next time. Woo! Let's get up! Wild for the outdoors. Check us out around the cabin. That's www.aroundthecabin.com. Check the campfire for listings of our live show. Team Fitzgerald Scents, pioneers in the outdoor industry, crusading since 1974. Visit them at www.teamfitzgerald.com for all your scent needs. Sign up for the newsletter and be the first to know about big savings.